everyone, it's me Beata from horoscopesandreadings.com, and now I would like to present you your yearly forecast for 2017. So I have decided to divide this forecast into two main categories. First, I would like to talk about a little bit about difficulties which you may expect in 2017 in your life. On the other hand, I would like to tell you the area of your life which will be filled with abundance and support, and I will reveal it at the end of this video. As usually, I would like to suggest you that it would be very good for you to combine your sun sign video with your rising sign video. That means that you might be Pisces sun, but you may have rising sign in a completely different sign, which is the most probably your case. So if you know your rising sign, you better check both of my forecasts, because only then you can gain a big picture of what you can expect. If you are not aware about your rising sign, just check astro.com and you can find out it there. Okay, so let's get started with your prediction. First, I would like to start with more difficult part. Some of you may know that it is actually planet Saturn which is responsible of all our difficulties in our life. It is considered as planet of bad luck, but I very much agree that it is planet of responsibility, of hard work, and Saturn will give you reward, but only after working hard. Yes. So what I'm trying to say here is that now I would like to reveal for you area of your life which will not be avoided next year, because life will force you to deal with it. So now I would like to tell you that your Saturn will be placed here in 10th house of chart. Okay, so this is actually chart, and if we count houses from the beginning, from the ascendant, this is 10th house, and Saturn will be placed here. Okay, so now what is Saturn? As I have said, Saturn is a planet of responsibility. So what you can expect next year is that you will have a lot of work. Yes, there actually may be days during next year that you will feel overwhelmed by never-ending tasks. Yes, so career will be your strong focus during next year, and I would suggest you to behave very responsibly there, because reward will come, but only later. Yes, maybe only in 2018, but definitely this will be area of your life which cannot be avoided. Furthermore, your boss will be probably, let's say, cold or distant. Yes, will not be very supportive to you, but just keep in mind that it will be only temporary, and it will vanish. Okay, but these all will be areas of your life which will be affected. Also, all authoritative figures will force you to work harder. Okay, you will be probably forced to visit many authoritative figures and somehow deal with them, and they will not be very much supportive to you, but just you know, just take it as it is, because it will pass away. Okay, so career and work will be your strong focus. You will have a lot of work and you will be forced to work hard. In some rare cases, you may be fired from your job. This will most probably will not be your case, but in some rare cases, if also your own personal birth chart shows it, you may get fired. Yes, because Putin planet of, let's say, bad luck and karma into your 10th house, it may lead to this, okay? So I'm done with planet Saturn, and now I would like to tell you more about other planet, which is called Jupiter. In astrology, it is considered as planet of luck, support, and abundance. Yes. So whatever you receive in this life for free, it is most probably from Jupiter. Yes. It is actually that planet which gives us what we want, and it's very much effortless. Yes, so we all want more of it. And I'm coming with good news to you, because your planet of Jupiter will be placed in the 7th house of marriage. Yes, this is house of marriage and house of committed relationships. So for those who are already in committed relationship, this may mean that you may get married. Yes, this is one of possible scenarios. In case you don't want to get married, you may want to move your partnership into another level. So maybe you can move in to your partner. Okay. In case you are single, you will most probably find the one, yes, because there's a lot of blessings there, and you may go out on a date more frequently, and you're gonna like it, and you may actually meet more than one, okay, person. This is most probably the case of 2017 for you. Another thing, if you want to start your own business, if you want to collaborate with other people on some level, yes, do it in 2017, because there's a lot of support. People will not cheat you, and I have one more note here, that also, yes, you will be overwhelmed by your work, but your colleagues will be very much supportive. So in case you don't know what to do in your job, just ask them for the help, because they will help you. Yes, because you will have Jupiter in 7th house, and it is also house of your colleagues or co-workers who are on the same level as you are. Okay, so I'm done with this forecast for you. If you like it, you can like this video, you can share it with your friends, with those who are also Pisces, and of course you can ask me some astrological questions and I will answer them for you. In case you like the content of this channel, you can subscribe right here, and I wish you a very nice day. Bye bye.